morning. I'm clearing out my shop as usual, and I've been gathering buckets of brass and copper pipes and all sorts of bits and pieces ready to go to the scrap because they're just no good and they're getting in the way. So I'm dismantling, and one of the things I found lying in the yard that's been outside for years is this. It's a AC compressor, and it's a compressor from, I think it's off a Range Rover, a very early one, because it's got the belts on it. No good to man the beast, because trying to put that onto a Defender is going to be very expensive, because you've got to change all the pulleys and the fittings and the pipes and this, that and the other. It's best to get a dedicated one. So I thought we'd have a look and see what's inside it and what makes it tick. Now the interesting thing about it is the pulley works good and it actually still turns. It must have been outside about 2 years. I'm not a great one for tidying up. So, will this pipe come off? Yes. There's sometimes you get to a point that you think, what the hell am I keeping all this stuff for? You know, we never see any V8 Land Rovers now. Or Range Rovers, anything like that. They're all serpentine belts and things, a little bit more modern than this thing. So that could go. There's nothing to salvage on these pipes and hoses, there's nothing at all. It's a shame really, isn't it? Right, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to knock off these fastenings here. These are quite good because they've got the charge ports on them, but again, they don't fit onto anything. Let me get that off and we'll have a look at something else. I have no idea how these come apart. There's a nut on here, and it should slide off. There should be some shims under there, because this is an electromagnetic clutch, so when current is applied to through this wire, this will clinch on and the pump will drive. So this is actually just free running all the time. That's how that works, I know that for sure. Right. Now, what have we got here? Got that off. Now there is here 3 tapped holes. I bet you need a puller, and this could be the day that I use a puller set that I got from Canadian Tire many years ago and not used it. Let's have a look and see if it's going to work. Right, here it is. You can see how dusty it's been on my shelf for years. I never used it. I think I got it. It was on special for a 10 bucks. But that's what we need. We need that plate. We need a centre bolt for it. Is that going to be it? Yeah, it's done. That's it. And we've got 3 bolts here. Now this is a sand end pump. They're pretty common as muck. And hopefully those thread onto there, which knowing my luck they won't. Oh, they do! Oh, joy, joy. So, let's get this set up. It's funny how you have stuff for years and you never use it. And then today's the day. I'll set this up and I'll come back. Right, let's see if this'll pull this off. Oh, a passing goose would be able to get that off. Well, that's all right. So that worked. So now, well, we'll put that apart, and we should be. Oh, there's a circlip in here. Here, we'll get the circlip off, and then that should pull off. Can you see the circlip here? You have to believe me. Let's get a pair of pliers. I'm beginning to think you need a lot of special tools to do this. The pulley won't slide off. So what I've done is I got me bearing puller, but unfortunately you can't get it in. It won't go around the it's too narrow. You see that? It's too narrow. Let's see what we've got in here. where these look. Oh my god. Will that go under the pulley? Yes. Right. That's going to go in. I'll just use the two-legged puller. Set this up and we'll show you if we can get it off, because this is a hydraulic puller. So there we go, we've got the puller set up. I'll put the nut on the end just in case, but there's a little countersink, well, a little dimple in the end of the thread, and on this shaft here there's a pin, so it should stay pretty good. Now I don't know how much force it's going to take to get off this, but we wind this little lever in here and it should apply hydraulic pressure and pull that pulley off. Indeed, it is flying off. Don't hit these things with hammers. You can break the internals. That's the idea of doing this video, to show you how to get them apart without busting them. Mind you, not that this is going to go back together again. So it's got a very short stroke on that. So we readjust it, back it off, readjust it. It should come off now. I think it's pulling the bearing out, to be honest. Calling me a liar. So there's the bearing inside. It's a nice bearing. Am I going to keep it? Nope. Scrap. We can see here now the electromagnetic clutch idea. So this is where your wires go in, and it will electrify that, magnetize the outer piece like this bit, so it pulls tight and drives the pump. That was easy, wasn't it? Right, let me put these tools away. Right, now we've got that out of the way, we can start to take off that adapter thing there. Now, should we take off the front cover or the back cover? I don't know. Let's have a look at this here, see what's in here. Yeah, I suppose you could buy a rebuild kit for them, but I mean, the mountings are all different, because on the TDIs and things like that, they go that way. And of course the pulley's different, and by the time you buy all the kits, is it really worth it? Well, it's full of water. Ooh, look! There's a little valve plate, look. That's interesting, isn't it? That must be the gasket. Oh, look at that, there's little pistons inside there. So these are just like little reed valves. Yeah, oh, that's the retaining plate for the reed valve. It's inside there. We'll take that off. Oh, let's have a look. Do we need anything off there? Oh, a bit of scrap aluminium there, we'll put that to one side. Let's have a look inside here. Bolts. No good to man the beast. Completely different thread to what we need. Let's have a look and see what's here. I haven't had one of these in bits, so I don't know what I'm talking about. So that's a very thick retention plate. There's the bolt, and here is the little reed valve. Oh, I see, there's another reed valve here. Oh, wait a minute, it's coming up. Ah, isn't that cute, look? So you've got one at one side for the suction, one side for the, wait a minute, pressure one way and pressure the other, because when the pistons are going backwards and forwards, all it's doing is it's sucking through one side and blowing through the other to create pressure. That's a good bit of scrap. I supposed to be. My truck's been loaded up for a scrap man for about a week. week and a half it's been such miserable weather, I'm not going to go to the scrapyard yet. That's why I'm doing this. Right, let's have a look on the other side, see what's in here. Is that a 10mm? Yes. I don't know what you can actually service in these things. I'm not sure at all. Ooh, feels like there's a spring in there. Wow, it's on a wobble plate, look. Can you see? So, as your clutch is driving around, as this is driving around here, oh wait a minute, that's on the inside, isn't it? So as that's turning around, it's pushing this piece to push the pistons in. Look, it's full of water. And that's all there is to it, really. There's nothing. Oh, and there they are, all in bits. Yeah, there's an Allen bolt in there, and there's a bolt on the side here. I'm not really sure what that's for. Look at those cute little pistons and a gear drive. Oh, there's a big ball. I like big balls. They're handy. That's no good. Ah, yeah. So all your kit would comprise of is little O-rings and things like this. Actually, it looks in good condition to go in the scrap bin. And there's the gear drive. Oh, there's a spring. God, man, God, this has got a lot of scrap in it. I'll get rid of them bolts because they're no good, are they? Let's take that other piece apart and see what's in there. I'll clean up first. Well, I don't really need this. All there is a bearing in here. A little thing. There's a woodruff key here to knock out. And then that should pop out of here. Should. Indeed it did. There's a piece of aluminium on there, but I'm not going to bother taking that off. It's a waste of time. And there's a great big lump of steel. Bit disappointing, really. But could you rebuild it? If you had like a TDI one or a TD5 pump, could you rebuild it? I suppose so. But the burning question is, where are you going to get the parts from? That's my problem. I couldn't even find parts even if I wanted them. So, that was a completely pointless exercise, wasn't it? See you later.